Sing.
Can you show me?
Yo, I'm Pido. Sing along with me and my friends to a cool song about my little buddy Bingo.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Listen to that bird sing. What a beautiful sound.
I love all the great sounds we hear every day.
Like the sound of Pido singing when he bakes a big bone pie.
And the sound of B-Max bouncing his ball. That means it's time to play.
And my favorite sound of all, the sound of the postman's whistle. That means there's something for us. I'll see what he brought. Wow, it's a package, and it's for me. It's from my good friend, Noisy Neville. Whatever it is, it's very noisy. Very, very noisy. I wonder what it could be.
No time to open that now, Trilby. Let's play!
Sound off! Sound off! You can beat it, you can strum it, you can shake it all around. The world is full of things that you can use to make sound. The sound of life is music, it's fun for girls and boys. So if you want to join the fun, come on and make some noise. Whatever sound you're after, our favorite sound is laughter. If you don't know what to do, don't think, just let the rhythm carry you and then begin to blink. Sound off! Sound off!
Let's see what Noisy Neville has sent me. Wow! It's a noisy noisemaker. Just what I've always wanted. What a great present. Just wait till I show the others.
What's that?
Wait a minute. Maybe I can have a little fun here. I wonder what other noises I can trick my puppy pals with. Now, to trick Pido with my noisy noisemaker.
That sounds like a train! And it's heading for the clubhouse! Everybody run!
This is better than I thought.
Hi, Trilby. Where was Pido going in such a rush?
Who knows? Maybe he thought he heard a noise.
A noise? What kind of noise? Is that... It can't be! It is! An elephant! I'd better get my elephant net!
I love my noisy noisemaker. This is the greatest fun ever!
Don't make too much noise. You might scare the elephant.
Forget the elephant. I want to know when the train arrives.
What is going on around here?
Look!
What a great joke! I just love playing tricks with my noisy noisemaker.
So that's what all those noises were. Trilby's been tricking us.
Sounds like it's time to teach Trilby a little noisy lesson.
Are there loud sounds and quiet sounds?
Yes, like a little baby.
A baby?
you're silly.
Can a baby be quiet?
Yes, sometimes it goes. But it cries sometimes, and that's really loud. Yeah,
When is it fun to be noisy?
it's fun to be noisy outside.
Yeah. What kind of different noises can you make? Is this a zoo? What kind of noise do you make when you're playing cars? Can you show me pretending to be like a lion? What do you look like when you pretend to be a lion? Are you good at being a monster, Aiden? Can I see your monster? Yes. Go on. What kind of other animals are noisy?
Crabs.
Crabs?
Elephant.
What noise does an elephant make? Achoo! Could you pretend to sneeze?
Yeah.
Show me.
Achoo! Sing la la. Roar.
I think there's a pterodactyl in here. Two pterodactyls.
My noisy noisemaker was fun, but I really should tell them it was all just a trick.
So, you all know what to do?
Right! Here she comes now. Quick, hide!
Nay!
What's that? It sounds like a horse. A horse driving a truck?
Ribbit! 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 Ribbit!
A horse driving a truck full of frogs? They're the funniest sounds I've ever heard.
That's because we made them.
We tricked you back, Trilby.
Great joke, puppies. enough. I got the joke.
But it wasn't us making those noisy noises.
Whoa, if it wasn't us, who was it?
I love it when a cat tricks a dog. It's so easy because cats are way smarter than dogs.
Ears up! Let's find those noisy noises.
What great fun! We're all on a noisy noise hunt.
Let's see how many noises we can find around the clubhouse. And you can listen for all the noises around your house, too. Pause up!
Pause up, everybody, did it to our day. The Rats Kids Club band is coming down your way. We got a song to sing, we got something to say. The Rats Kids